Welcome to D2L Email for Students. In this video, I will show you how to email within D2L, as well as finding your classmates and instructors. And also, sometimes you may get an access is denied when you're trying to access your email. So we're going to cover why that happens as well. So let's get started. Once you log into the D2L environment, you'll see maybe sometimes notifications, like I see here in this little orange one, that you've got an email waiting for you. So you can read your emails through here, but when you wanted to send out an email to your instructor or other students, we want to recommend that you always access that course first. So let's access a course and you're going to want to click on Class List. Class List is where you're going to see your fellow students, and also here's where your instructor or department admin assistant will be. So, in order to send email, click on that icon beside and click Email. Type out the subject and then hit Send. Once you do, your email is sent to the instructor. The other thing that we wanted to cover is how come sometimes I cannot access my email. So what you'll do is you'll click on the email here and you'll get a cannot access is denied. But what you'll do is once you click on it, you'll see a tiny little pop-up underneath that'll say, hey, you must complete a quiz. So when you have that happen, that just means the instructor has put on a restriction saying you're not allowed to access emails until that quiz is done. So your options are either contact the instructor to see if they can remove that restriction for you or go in and finish that quiz. That's all we have for how to use email within D12. Be sure to check out the other videos. Thanks for watching.